Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check TikTok transaction history. For this, the first step is to open the TikTok app on this Android device. So when it's open the TikTok app, so you will have to go in the profile icon. So now here you will just go in the top right corner of three lines of settings. So from here you will just go in the settings and privacy. So from here you will see the account center is here. So now you will move in the your balance. So right now you will just click to services in transactions. So here is no transaction yet. Keep track of your purchases, refund and exchanges here. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.